Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the SQL coding question from LeetCode biggest single number. Here as you can see there is a table name called my numbers whose column names is num. Now a single number is a number that appeared only once in the my numbers table. Find the largest single number. If there is no single number, report null. The result format is in the following example. Now example 1, input my numbers table num, output num 6. So explanation, the single numbers are 1, 4, 5 and 6. Since 6 is the largest single number, we return 8. So first understand what the question is exactly asking. You are given a table my numbers. Here you are given a table my numbers. Okay, then which contains integers and duplicates are allowed. A single number means a number that appears only once in the entire table. Now the task is not just to find single numbers but to return the largest among those single numbers, and if no number appears exactly once, then we should return null. So logically we need to do two things. First, identify which numbers appear only once, and then from those numbers pick the maximum value. Now let's build the SQL step by step and connect every line directly with the requirement. So we start with select max num as num. Here the question asks for the largest single number, so instead of listing all single numbers, we directly use max num to get the largest one. We also rename it as num to match the output format. Now we need to make sure we are only considering numbers that appear once from my numbers. This simply tells SQL that we are working on the given table. Now comes the core logic where num in this means we will filter only those numbers which satisfy a certain condition. That condition will be defined inside the subquery. Now the subquery is select num from my numbers group by num. Here we group all rows by num. This is important because duplicates will now be grouped together, allowing us to count how many times each number appears. Okay, so having count num equal to 1. This line directly answers the definition of a single number in the question. The question says a single number is one that appears only once. So we have using count num equal to 1 to filter only those groups where the count is exactly 1. So this subquery returns all numbers that appear exactly once. Finally, we close the condition through parenthesis close. Now let's run this code. So this solution directly follows the question logic. Identify single numbers, then pick the largest one, then return null if none exist. Thank you.